Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our Chrysler Town & Country. This is an electric ramp and door. It's a mobility and wheelchair accessible van like most of our vehicles. And what our mechanic has done, he's got this winch controller here. Turn it on and out. You got to hold the button down. What this does is a very affordable way to keep these ramps and doors running. You have to hold the button down. And if there's any future repairs needed, it's also an affordable way to do so. Instead of you bypass going to these expensive dealers and having to pay all the brawn parts. Got to hold this down. It's got a ring on it. It can go on your neck. It can go in your purse if you carry one. It can go in your wheelchair. But you got to have this around. You can enter on in the van. As you can see, you park your wheelchair here. It does not have a front passenger seat at the moment. If that's something you want, we could put a pedestal down there, get a seat. We could do that at an additional price. Talk to us, see what we can do. The back seats are pretty good condition. It's got the leather, and as you see, it obviously has a swivel seat, which will allow you to park your chair if you like. Controls are there. You can sit down in the transfer over to the chair, and then you could face it back to the front, go back forward, and transfer over to the seat and drive it. It does have hand controls as well. The hand controls, these only operate the brake right now. This must have been a person that had full use of their right leg and they wanted the brake for their left hand. If you need full use of the gas on the hand controls, let us know. We can do that at your cost. There's something else we can do. Once you're in the van, you can hit the button here, and you can see the ramp and door closes down. It doesn't move real fast, but it works. And you have to be holding it down the entire time. And of course, you could have the van right now running if you wanted to, if you wanted the air conditioner on, or when it's colder and you can have the heat on. And then when you're done, make sure you turn this off so you're not using up that battery. I'm going to put it up there for now. And that, folks, is how the conversion works. So, let's do a quick walk around to the van. This van's pretty clean. It's got the roof rack, tinted windows in the rear. The body's certainly not perfect. I see a couple of spots where someone did some horrible touch-up paint. It's got the chrome wheels. Tires are all in fair condition, good to fair condition. They're not brand new certainly, but they've got a little bit of life left on them. I do see someone put a little green touch-up paint here and there. Definitely not the way I would have done it. If you want this quarter panel painted right here to match, let us know. We can do it. It's got a little dent back there. A small little dent right there. And my goal in these videos is to represent this van honest and fair as we possibly can. See a small little, looks like door ding here in the van. Certainly nothing major. The ground effects are cracked a bit down there. As you can see, all the tires, they're fair. They've got a little bit of life left on them, but it's not something you're going to be able to put 20,000 miles on these tires. They're going to need to be changed out, before too long. But overall, pretty nice van. Inside, you've already seen the interior. Of course, we've got the swivel seat. It's got the electric seat as well that works good. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away, so no signs of any smoke in this van. And when I go to turn the van on, turns on first time every time. All the dummy lights work. No check engine light, no airbag light, no ABS lights, none of that. Current mile is 63,364. Very low miles. Let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.8 V6 engine. It's one of the more popular engines of the Chrysler. We put a new battery in it. We'll list all the repairs we've done to this van. Our mechanics inspect these before we put them on the road. We don't try to make them perfect, but we try to make sure they're serviceable. There is some surface rust underneath. You have to remember this van's about 19 years old. There's certainly no major rust that I can see. I don't see any signs of any leaks underneath the van. So no matter who you buy from, make sure you're having to get under and do a video like this. I can buy these things in New Jersey, New York, Chicago all day long. I can buy them from a dime a dozen. But the reason is because they're all rusted out underneath. They won't pass inspection in many states. And folks, if you buy a van that won't pass inspection, you cannot drive it. You just bought a paperweight. So I don't care who you buy from. We hope it's us. But if they won't go out and make a video like this for you, then who are you buying from and what are they hiding from you? So before I get the van out for a test drive on the highway, I've had my guys check the power windows, That vent works. That vent works. Power mirrors. That one works. That one works. AC's running nice and cold in here. So we've checked this van over. Everything seems to work on it pretty good. Let's take it on the highway. Okay, last portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on the highway. I want to give them some gas so you can see them accelerate. So you can hear the engine run strong, hear the transmission shift. And show you that we've got these vans, we've inspected them, and our goal is to make sure that they're, of course, roadworthy. Got the van almost up to 70 miles an hour. You can see the steering wheel is not bouncing back and forth. We've got the tires in balance. The van tracks real nice down the highway. Got the cruise control set at about 65 miles an hour. And I know there's a lot of companies out there selling mobility vans. Ask yourself, do they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau? Because we do. Do they have over 500 positive reviews on eBay and 0 negative feedback? Because we do. Folks, that's 500 people that said we did a good job, and no one said we did a bad job. No one can beat that. Do they have any hidden administrative fees, document fees, tag fees? Because we don't. That's not how we do business. A lot of these companies are going to try to stack $400, $800, $1,200 on the end. That's not how we do business here. I'm going to give the van a hard brake coming up here, coming off the highway. And you can see I'm going to show you the steering wheel. It's not bouncing back and forth like we've got warped rotors. The front end's tight. No squeaking, no grinding, no unusual brake noise. Also keep in mind we can help you out with shipping. We own a shipping brokerage. We can help you ship these very affordable to your home or business. So if you ever want to come check out one of our vehicles, please always give us a call. I know your time is valuable. Sometimes we're out doing things like this. We don't want to miss you. 316-262-VANS. My name is Jeremiah. You'll probably get myself or Micah. That's 316-262-8267. And check us out 24 hours a day at www.mobility316.com. Also, we have a store in Dallas now. See our current inventory at www.bigtexmobility.com. If you ever have any questions, again, please let us know. Let us know how we can help you. And if you ever want to see a van before you buy, we can put it on a truck and trailer and bring it to you within reason. We can't work for free, but we can work for an affordable rate. Call us, talk to us, let us know how we can help you. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.